Outgoing. Friendly and enjoys meeting people. He's very outgoing and makes friends easily. Reliable. Can be trusted to do what is needed. You can count on him, he's very reliable. Moody. Changes emotions often and unpredictably. He gets moody if things don't go his way. Grumpy. Often in a bad mood. She gets grumpy when she's tired. Stubborn. Doesn't change their mind easily. She's too stubborn to admit she was wrong. Polite. Shows good manners. The waiter was polite and helpful. Jealous. Wants what others have, envious. I'm not jealous, but I do want a car like that. Generous. Likes to give or share. She's generous with her time and money. Selfish. Cares only about oneself. Don't be selfish, share your snacks. Loyal. Faithful and supportive. We need loyal workers for this job. Nervous. Worried or anxious. I felt nervous before the exam. Proud. Feeling pleased about something. He was proud of his daughter's success. Embarrassed. Feeling shy or awkward. I was embarrassed when I fell in front of everyone. Confident. Sure about your abilities. She looked confident on stage. Guilty. Feeling bad for doing something wrong. He felt guilty about lying. Curious. Wanting to know or learn. Kids are naturally curious about everything. Frustrated. Annoyed because something is difficult. She was frustrated by the slow internet. Grateful. Feeling thankful. I'm grateful for your help. Bored. Not interested or entertained. I got bored during the long speech. Excited. Very happy and enthusiastic. The kids were excited about the trip. Attractive. Good looking. He's an attractive man with a nice smile. Slim. Thin in a healthy way. She stays slim by eating healthy. Wrinkled. With lines or folds. His shirt was wrinkled from the suitcase. Shiny. Bright or glossy. Her hair looked shiny after the treatment. Bald. Having no hair on the head. My uncle is bald and wears a hat often. Blonde. Having light-colored hair. She has long blonde hair. Well-dressed. Wearing nice, appropriate clothes. He's always well-dressed for meetings. Dirty. Not clean. Your shoes are dirty, wipe them off. Neat. Clean and orderly. He keeps his desk very neat. Stylish. Fashionable and good-looking. Her outfit is stylish and modern. Complicated. Hard to understand or deal with. The instructions were too complicated to follow. Urgent. Needs quick action or attention. This is an urgent matter, we must act now. Temporary. Not permanent, lasting a short time. He has a temporary job for the summer. Common. Happens often or found often. It's common to feel tired after a long day. Rare. Not usual, uncommon. Snow is rare in this part of the country. Useful. Helpful or practical. This app is very useful for learning languages. Valuable. Worth a lot. She gave me some valuable advice. Broken. Not working or damaged. The remote is broken, it won't work. Available. Ready to be used or taken. Are there any seats available? Dangerous. Can cause harm. It's dangerous to drive in the fog.